Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in my BMW M5CS daily driver, and next to me is a Ferrari 812, and we're going to have a drag race. May seem a bit unfair when I tell you the stats of these cars. You see, this BMW, it has a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 with 635 horsepower and 750 newton meters of torque. Drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter, but it does have launch control. This special version of the M5 is lighter than the standard cars. Got things like a carbon fibre bonnet, carbon ceramic brakes. As a result, it comes in at 1,825 kilos. Ooh, you have to pay for it though. £140,000 for one of these. So it's a lot cheaper than that Ferrari. As standard, £293,000. However, that one there is a limited edition 70th anniversary model. It's 450 grand. It's got loads of special bits on it, all the carbon fibre that you can possibly fit to that car. Does it help with the weight? Well, not really. That thing weighs 1,800 kilos. So this is only 25 kilos heavier, and it's a practical four-door, four-seater saloon. That does have more power though. So it's 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, pumps out 800 horsepower and 720 newton meters of torque. Drives the rear wheels only via 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. Anyway, shall we get on with this?
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Now before we race, I'm going to do the customary CarWow sound check. So I'm going to rev up the BMW, so let's do this. Sort of a soft limiter at 4.5. I know what's going to sound awesome. That Ferrari, let's have a listen to it. It's a foregone conclusion, this. Can we have a listen to the Ferrari, please? Let's hear that Italian music. So would you rather listen to that or Go on, let's hear the Ferrari again. You have basically got a musical instrument under your bonnet, haven't you?
I've never been so happy. So nice.
Well, hopefully you're not going to be so happy for much longer, because I'm going to beat you. Maybe. Probably not, but maybe.
3, 2, 1.
Smashed him off the line. Absolutely destroyed him. That's it. What were you doing?
I was sitting on the line for about 15 minutes, spinning wheels, wishing it would go forwards. This has got so much power and so little rubber to put it down on.
Turns out I jumped the start in the last race, you know, giving it all that like that, but then get disqualified. So we're going to have to do it again. Silly me.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, close on the start line. He got a decent launch. It's coming now. Come on, BMW, that's a fair. Come on! Come on, 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 come on! Oh, that was close, wasn't it?
That was really close. I think it pipped you, didn't it?
Do you know what? I think you might have done. Can we say best 2 out of 3?
Absolutely not. I won. Move on. Thank you.
But I won the first one, so surely we should do 2 out of 3. You'd like to see another drag race, wouldn't you? Yes, you would. So we'll do it.
3, 2, 1.
Smashed him off the line. Oh, he's coming. Come on! He's coming. He's coming. That was so close, but I have a feeling I did you on the line.
As in you crossed the line before me or you jumped the start?
Stewards, can we have a check of the start, please? Did I jump the start?
No, you didn't jump.
Yes! So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW just about won, crossing the line first, though both cars did the standing quarter mile in 10.9 seconds. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their least sporty setting. In this, it's efficiency In that, it's sport. That's the least sporty setting, sport. Anyway, I'm going to count it in. 50 miles an hour, automatic mode of the gearbox. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down, come on. Ah, the Ferrari is off. Look, it's going to trounce me to the half mile. There's the half mile. Oh, it's all over. I've just been destroyed. Easy win. I've hit the volume button. Rather appropriate music. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing again, but this time the cars are in manual mode for their gearbox, third gear, and in a sportier setting. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All boostage. But losing edge. That Ferrari's just smashing it. Oh my goodness. Here's the half mile. Absolutely walloped. So the Ferrari's showing me what's what right now. The higher speeds, it's coming good, isn't it? It is. He concurs just silently. I think he might be out of range of the radio. Okay, now we're going to do a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Which car will stop in the shortest distance? I do wager it will be the Ferrari, but you never know. Let's give it a go, see what happens. Both on carbon ceramics, both similar weight. Here we go. Where's the radio? I need to gloat. Oh my freaking God. I can't believe that, can you?
I am absolutely shocked. How well did that stop? Unreal. And this was pulling up good. It's not like it was in a load of ABS or anything. That's crazy.
Do you know what? I think overall, this wins. Obviously, rolling race, that did well, but it's all high speed stuff. This did you on the drag, did you in the brake test, so things that really matter more on the road. Drag racing, not so much on the road, actually. Anyway, you get the idea. And I've actually got enough room for a proper baby seat behind me. What's behind you in your car?
A parcel shelfie type thing and a window.
Carbon fibre parcel shelf though, right? That's why that car's like 450 grand.
Yeah, actually the mat's the carbon fibre. It wins on that cool streak. But then again, that beam is £180,000, is it not?
Nah, 140, mate. It's a steal.
Oh, bargain then. Yeah, have one of them.
Now, if you actually want a bargain performance car, I found a great one with a good offer on it through Carwow. If you click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description, you can see what that car is and what the saving is through Carwow. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there to watch more videos. And if you click on that box there, you can sell your car through Carwow. Our dealers will bid on your car so you get a great price for it. Thanks for watching.